Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to pay someone on Revolut. This is a great way to send money to friends, family, or even businesses. What is Revolut? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and currency exchange. One of the most popular features of Revolut is its ability to send and receive money from anyone, anywhere in the world. How to pay someone on Revolut. Now that we know what Revolut is, let's get started with how to pay someone. Open the Revolut app. Tap on the Home tab. Tap on the Send button. Enter the amount you want to send. Select the currency you want to send the money in. Enter the recipient's name or email address. Tap on the Send button. Once you've tapped on the Send button, the money will be transferred to the recipient's Revolut account. You can also track the status of your payment in the app. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for paying someone on Revolut. You can also pay someone using the Revolut website. You can send money to anyone, even if they don't have a Revolut account. You can add a note to your payment. You can schedule a payment for a future date. Paying someone on Revolut is easy and convenient. It's a great way to send money to friends, family, or businesses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I would also like to add that Revolut is a safe and secure way to send money. All transactions are encrypted and protected by advanced security measures. I would also like to mention that Revolut is available in over 35 countries around the world. So, no matter where you are, you can use Revolut to send money to anyone, anywhere in the world. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.